Today we are going to discuss about the traffic manager. What is it? Traffic
manager.
So traffic manager also it is a one type of a load balancer. What is it? So generally what is meant by load balancer?
Distribute the traffic.
Just tell me what is meant by load balancer?
Distribute the traffic between the VMs.
So distribute the traffic between virtual machines, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So what are the two types of load balancers we are having? What are the two types of load balancers?
Basic, standard.
Basic and standard, right? So what is the difference between basic load balancer and standard load balancer?
Basic is traffic between the virtual machines in same availability and same virtual network.
Hello?
Hello, Sandeep.
Just a moment, 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Sandeep.
ఒకసారి నాకు ఒక 1 తర్వాత కాల్ చేయరా, నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా. ఓకే. మీ పేరు? సుబ్బారాయుడు. ఓకేనా? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, guys. Okay. Suddenly interview schedule. Okay, let it be. So, what is meant by load balancer? What is meant by load balancer?
Distribute the traffic between the virtual machines.
Sorry. Distribute the traffic
Distribute
between.
the virtual machines.
Distribute the traffic between the virtual machines, right? So we have the two types of load balancers, basic and standard, right? What is the difference
Yes.
between basic load balancer and standard load balancer?
In basic, distribute the traffic between the virtual machines in same availability set in same virtual network.
Okay. Distribute the
And
traffic between
standard and
standard.
standard in different availability set in same virtual network.
Yeah. Different availability set in
Same virtual
same virtual
network.
network. So here traffic manager is nothing but it is also one type of a load balancer, right? We can distribute the traffic between the virtual machines. Just a moment. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Traffic manager also is a one type of a load balancer, but distribute the traffic between virtual machines based on, okay, distribute the traffic between virtual machines, okay, in any region based on based on VNet, based on the VNet, based on the performance, and based on weight. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what are the basic and standard? So just we are distributing the traffic, right? That to be, so if it is a basic load balancer, you can distribute the traffic between same availability set. If it is in a standard load balancer, you can distribute the traffic between the different availability set, right? Yes or no? But when you come to the traffic manager, we can distribute the traffic between virtual machines, any region, any VNet, based on VNet or performance or weight. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So
Yes, sir.
paint. Let's see here. Yesterday already we have discussed, right? For example, where we are going to have the traffic manager. What you're going to have? Traffic manager. So here you're going to have the traffic manager, right? So based on the traffic manager, below the traffic manager, what you are having here? So we are going to have the VNet. I'm going to create a VNet in the different region. Okay. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
For example, this is, I'm going to create a resource group. Say in the different region I'm going to create, okay? In this resource group, I'm going to create one VNet. In this VNet, I'm going to create one load balancer. In this load balancer, I'm going to create a virtual machine. The same story here also. I'm going to create a VNet. And this I'm going to create a subnet. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
So you are going to have the traffic manager. First is sorry. That's it. We need only okay. Let it be. We have the two resource groups. Fine. Let it be. Got it. I'm going to
Yes, sir.
create East resource group. What is that? Resource group name is, for example, East region, right? I'm just going like East resource group. Okay. And East VNet. And I'm going to create a East basic load balancer. Oh my God. Okay. I'm doing the East line expression. And this is West line expression. Any doubts or any questions here?
No.
West basic load balancer. West VNet and West resource group. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to distribute the traffic between the two virtual machines in the different region. Got it?
Yes, sir.
I'll go with the portal.azure.com. I'll take the resource group. I'm going to create a resource group. If both the resource group are same or also, it's not a problem, okay? But the region is different. I'll do one thing. I'll keep the two resource group as the same. Why? Because resource group don't have the location constraint. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Resource group won't have the location. Only from the VNets we are going to have the location constraint. For example, Azure test. Got it? Actually, this is also not right. Okay, let it be. Okay. So I'm taking the resource group name as Azure test resource group, and it is in the East US. For the resource group, there is no location constraint. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
First, I'm going to create a East VNet. What is it?
East.
East VNet. I'll go to virtual network. Create a virtual network. Okay, Azure test or East VNet. I have selected the East US. Next, I'm going to create a subnet 10.1.0.0/16. And what is the VNet subnet name I'm giving here? East subnet. So I'm going to take it like 10.10.1.0/24 and click on save. Next. Great. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then after creating the virtual network, I have created a East VNet. In the East VNet, I have created the subnets. East subnet. Yes or no? In this East subnet, I'm going to create a virtual mission. What is that? I'll go with the virtual missions. Create Azure virtual mission. And the resource group name is Azure test resource group. What is the virtual mission name?
Linux.
Linux. Not Linux. We'll go with East
Okay,
Linux
East.
mission. Why? Because we need to know that, right? So which
Yes.
location it is? East Linux mission. And the region East US and availabilities of no infrastructure redundancy and security type standard. You can see the location. What is the location I have taken here? East US.
East US.
Ubuntu and 1CP 2GB RAM is fine. Password. Username is India. Password. India at the rate of 1234556. India at the rate of 1234556. And you can add all the ports HTTP, HTTPS. Next disk. Standard SSD. Next networking. Next management. Next monitoring. Disable. Next advanced. Tags. And finally review and okay. Great. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
I'm going to create a one more virtual machine. What is the one more we have to create? What is the one more VM we have to create?
Yes. West Linux.
West Linux mission, right? So before that, I'm going to create a virtual network. Create a virtual network. Azure test resource group. I'm taking the virtual network name is West
West VNet.
VNet. West VNet. And here I'm taking the location also West US only. Got it?
Yes, sir.
West US 2. Next. See in the place of 1010, what I'm taking here 10.20 for example. And here West subnet 10.20.1.0/24. Any doubts here?
No.
Any doubts here? Next,
No,
and
sir.
finally review and great. You can see that in which region I'm creating this?
West US.
So we have created the virtual mission one, right? East Linux mission.
Yes, sir.
I'll just copy this public IP. I'll try to access by using the line expression. I'll go with the putty. Open. Login as India. Password is India at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right click, change settings, appearance, and change. And clear. And you have to update it, right? Sudo su hyphen. Yesterday we have discussed, right? Apt update
Yes, sir.
hyphen y. So we have to install the Nginx also here. So you have to install the Nginx, right? What is it? Apt install
Engine.
Nginx
Hyphen
hyphen
Y.
y. Kitchen. So we have installed the Nginx, right? Yes or no? We need to
Yes, sir.
change the size. Actually, we have to change the name, right? Nano, var, ww, html,
HTML.
and index dot
Index.
nginx hyphen debian dot
HTML.
html. Here we have to change the place of welcome to Nginx. What I'm going to give you? Welcome to
East Linux version.
East Linux mission. Exit. Sorry. Control S and Control X. Okay. I'll just copy here. I'll just ping here. You can see here. You're getting like welcome to East Linux mission, right? Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
this is in the East US region, right? Once it is done, I'm going to remove the public IP address. The public IP is in the East Linux mission. Got it?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going to disassociate. I'm going to create a one more virtual machine, right? What is it? Already we have created one more virtual machine, right?
No.
No.
Not
Create
yet.
Azure virtual machine. I'm going to create a Azure test repository. And what is the virtual machine name?
West
West
is green.
Linux machine. And this I'm going to take the region. Which region? West
West
US2.
US2.
Availability zone. We are known for such a redundancy we have given, right? Last time also. Okay, let it be. Ubuntu. Got it?
Yes, sir.
One CPU. Password. I'll give the username is India. Password is India at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. India at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. India @1 2 3 4 5 6. Got it? So you can go with HTTPS, next disk, standard SSD, next networking, next management, next monitoring, disable, next advanced, review and create. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sandeep.
So we have created the East Linux mission, right? West Linux mission, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? This
Yes,
is
sir.
a West Linux mission. In this West Linux mission, what we need to do? We need to install the Nginx.
Yes.
Yes. So what we have to install? Clear. Sudo su hyphen and
Update.
update hyphen y. So then we have to change the HTML file, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So for this, what you have to do? Nano var www html
Index dot
index dot
Nginx
nginx hyphen dbin dot html.
dot html.
Control S and Control S. Apt install nginx hyphen y. Clear? So what I'm trying to do here, same thing. So in the place of Nginx, what I'm going to give here? What I'm trying to give here?
Welcome
West
to
Linux
West
Mission.
Linux. Yes.
Control S and Control X. Any doubts?
No, sir.
I'll just copy this public IP. I'll just ping you in the. You're getting like, welcome to West Linux Mission. I'm trying to disassociate the public IP addresses. West Linux Mission also. I'm trying to dissociate. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
After that, we have to create a load balances, right? So we need to create a two load balances. What are the two load balances? Create east load balancer,
Okay.
and you have to create a
West.
east basic load balancer. Actually, we don't require all these things directly. We can do it, I think so. We'll go with the traffic manager. I think so it is updated, right? Got it?
Okay.
Create a traffic manager and Azure test traffic manager. Got it? TM.
Okay. Okay.
So based on weighted or priority, I just told you, right? The traffic is going to it's going to distribute based on the performance, based on the weighted, based on the priority, based on the location, based on the multi-values, and based on the subnet. Okay. For example, based on the weighted, I'm going to select the resource group is Azure test resource group. I'm going to create. And here we have created traffic manager, right?
Yes, sir.
And here you have to give the settings configuration, right? To add the endpoints. So generally we have to take this, just a moment. We'll create a basic load balancer, okay? We'll go with the load balancers, create a load balancer, and the resource group name is Azure test. And what is the load balancer name? East basic load balancer. Guys, are able to follow me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And just for the public, next to front end IP, add the front end IP, East PIP. This you have actually, and you can select the East Linux Mission IP. Click on save. Next backend pools. Add the backend pool. East B pool. And the virtual network means East VNet. And add the virtual missions. What are the virtual missions here? East Linux
East
Mission.
Linux.
Save. Next inbound. Add the load balancing rules. East load balancing rules. And what is the IP we have? Already we have the East IP, right? The same IP I'm using here. Okay. East backend pool. The port 80 port. 80 port. You can click on save. Create a probe. East probe. Click on save. Out and boards. Here. Next tags and finally review and create. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And we have the one more load balancer we have to create. What is the one more load balancer? What is the one more load? West load balancer. Create a resource group, West,
PLB.
PLB. And this I'm going to select the
Yes, yes.
West US2. West US2. And it's a public. Next, add the front-end IP configuration. Already West PIP is front-end IP. And already we have the IP right that I'm selecting here. Click on save. Next, backend pools. Add the backend pool. West D pool. You can see that West VNet it is showing here. I'm going to select the West
West
VNet.
VNet.
Save. Inbound rules. Add the West load balancing rules. Select the IP. Select the B pool. 80 port. 80 port. Click on save.
Probe. Create new.
Create new probe. Exit port. Create probe. West probe. So click on save. Next load balancing rules. Next tags. And finally review and create. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
So we have created the load balancer, right? East load balancer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here you can see how the public IP. If you copy the public IP, if you paste here, it is going to get the East Linux mission.
Okay.
So I'll go with the public IP addresses here. East Linux mission IP. And here you have the configurations. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Here you can give some name. For example, any name you can give. For example, I'm giving like DSF East. Got it? Save.
Yes, sir.
If I copy this DSF East Linux mission, then it is going to, again, it is going to get the East Linux mission. Got it?
Okay, sir.
The same thing I want to do it for the West also. I'll go to West Linux mission, configurations. For example, DSF
West.
West. I'm going to click on save. I'll do the same thing here. You're going to get the West Linux mission. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
sorry, load balancer, west load balancer. I'll just copy this public IP and just go ahead with west Linux machine, right? Is that no?
Yes, sir.
I'll go with the public IP address, west Linux machine, configurations. Now it's going to work. DSF west. Okay. Actually, there is an issue. Something is missing. So this is the process. Okay.
Oh,
Hello.
okay, sir.
It will take some time. Okay. So here, based on the traffic manager, Azure Test Traffic Manager, and we can go with the settings, endpoints. What is it? Endpoints.
And
So while creating the traffic manager, what we told here, so the traffic is going to manage it based on the weight, right? Yes or
performance.
no?
Wait, yes.
Yes. So you have to select the Azure endpoints. I'm selecting here. I'm selecting east endpoint. What is it? East endpoint. Got it?
Okay.
From where
Okay,
I'm getting selection by public IP address. You have the public IP, right?
yes,
East
sir.
Linux machine. For example, you can give the weight up to 1 to 1000. What is it? 1 to 1000.
1000.
Below 1000. For example, if I give the 990 to the East Linux machine, are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
And click on add. And if I want to create a West Linux machine, West endpoint, it is going to select here public IP address, public IP. For example, I'm giving the weight 2 only. Okay. So click on add.
Okay.
This load balancer also we are going to have the public IP. Got it? You can copy this and you can go ahead here. Azure test.pf.azure traffic manager.net. What you are getting here?
East Linux machine.
East Linux mission. Why you are getting only the East Linux mission? Why? Because we have given the more weight for the
Wait, yes.
East Linux mission. For
East
example,
Linux.
I'll go with the East Linux mission. For example, East Linux mission, I'll give like 2. For West Linux mission, I'm going to give the 990. So click on save. Got it?
Yes,
I
sir.
just given the link in the chat box. Can you please type what you're getting here now? Can you try it what you're getting now?
Okay, sir. West Linux machine.
Why it is getting the West Linux mission now?
It's more weight.
Is we have given the more weight, right? Yes or
More
no?
weight. Yes, yes, sir.
So like this, we are going to distribute the traffic between the virtual machines. Any doubts?
No,
So
sir.
like this, the traffic is going to distribute based on the performance, based on the weight, based on the subnet, and whatever the condition you are giving, based on that, it is going to create. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Once you've done the practice, please delete the resource group. Any other questions?
No, sir.
Arvind, are you there?
Yes, Sandeep.